Alright guys, we made it. Got the Jetta warmed up. Gonna try out his new sneakers. Never had it in the snow. You can see how built up we are here. Crazy as snow. But look at this, you can see how fast it's blowing here. And that's before the wind blows. Jesus. So we're gonna let the old Farfignugan heat up. And then we're gonna try out his new sneakers. So we only got about 3 miles to go to get home. So hopefully we should have no issues. But I've never tried these tires yet. Supposedly this car is good in the snow, but I've never drove in the snow before, so it's always the first of something. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please rate, please subscribe. Oh, there's the ambulance service. Must be somebody out there in trouble. Woo! Bye! Thank you for watching.